Hi, how you doing? I'm Saikon from affiliateship.com, and in this video I'm going to go through a simple way that you can get started with affiliate marketing fast with done-for-you affiliate marketing systems, and not just for beginners but also for experienced marketers, where you can leverage done-for-you affiliate marketing systems. Okay, so done-for-you affiliate marketing systems, also referred to as done-for-you programs, are simply marketing systems that usually have all the essential elements to promote a product which is done for you, ready for promotion and marketing. So these elements could consist of ready-made landing pages, emails, articles, lead magnets, products and funnels, and anything that will reduce your workload on promoting an affiliate product. The benefit of done for you affiliate programs is that you can get started really fast, and also perfect for beginners. You can get to learn and earn as you start and do your affiliate marketing with the done for you systems. Okay, also great for experienced marketing, as I said, as you have the done for you system that which you can literally plug into your existing infrastructure, i.e. email forms, thank you pages, website banners, blogs, for example, and think of it like potential income for less effort, because you didn't have to create the various marketing assets that they're already done for you. You just usually sign up with the done for you affiliate system, go through the steps and configure your systems, i.e. your email autoresponder connection, get your affiliate links and start promoting. I personally made my first ever commissions with the done for you marketing system, and I must say it was one of the best marketing systems I had come across at the time. And it had done for you landing pages, follow-up emails, free pre-sale pages, basically all the essential marketing elements were already done for me. Having all this done for you made it easier for me, as I was just getting started at the time, and I also learned a great deal about how affiliate marketing systems worked as well. If I can recollect the same marketing system that I was using, I believe the creator of the system generated over 720k in a single month from the same marketing system. Today I'm still learning so much from the creator, and who I consider to be one of my mentors. His name is Vic Stryshouse, and he certainly deserves a massive credit, respect and recognition for his service and work and helping people. So Vic has helped hundreds of thousands of people get their first start in affiliate marketing, including myself, and also helped experienced marketers ascend to high levels. Also, I can remember the leaderboards at the time when I was promoting these marketing systems, where a lot of people made a significant amount of income promoting the same done for you affiliate system. I personally quite enjoy done for you systems, as it gives you some leverage where you can utilize other people's systems and potentially benefit from them financially. And of course, you learn a lot as well. So having said that, one fundamental thing that I believe any affiliate marketer should work towards to sooner, if not later, is to create their own world. In other words, their own brand and identity. Because if you want to build a sustainable affiliate marketing business, you don't want to depend on third-party systems and people. As long as your long-term business model, you want to eventually stand out on your own 2 feet, so to speak, so that you are your own independent affiliate brand and business, and that is based around the niche that is in demand, and you also have an interest and passion in it. Once you become your own brand, independent of any marketing system, you can create campaigns and marketing systems on any affiliate products and provide your own unique value to your audience, and have more control as well. This way you get to build trust with your audience. Your audience will know you, like you, trust you, and thus more likely to buy from you again and again, and some may even become your fans. Take for example Vic, right? That's the effect Vic has on many of his students, including myself. I know now I like Vic, I like Vic, I trust Vic enough to that I will happily consider buying stuff from him, stuff that he recommends and stuff that he teaches. I learn from him a lot, right? And you too want to be able to achieve that same kind of effect with your audience in your affiliate marketing efforts, because that's the only way that you can have longevity. So all in all, it's a good start. It's good to start with done for you marketing systems, and even leverage these types of systems on top of your own marketing system when you establish as well, right? So, but your end goal should be to build and grow into your unique identity and own brand in your niche, so that your audience knows and recognizes you for what you do and serve. So one limitation I would say that with done for you affiliate marketing systems is that the selection of products are chosen for you and preloaded in the done for you systems. This is understandable, as the creators strategically design on the best possible products that are proven to sell, so that you as an affiliate don't need to go looking for products heads done for you, right? And established genuine done for you systems creators will already have tested and ensure that the products are proven to sell, so that you have a better chance of success with them. So if you now look at it from this perspective, it could be a good thing also for experienced marketing. You can leverage already proven products and start promoting them. But having said that, I believe your ultimate goal with your affiliate marketing should be to build your own independent branded business around a demanding niche coupled with your interests and passions. Okay, this way you can build a business that may have the best chance of success and sustainability. And you also enjoy operating the affiliate business for as long as you want. To end with, I'll share 2 resources with you that may be of interest. It's on the topic that we've just discussed, and provide some value on the topic for done for you marketing systems and how to build your own affiliate marketing plan and identity. Okay, so the first resource is a very popular done for you marketing system called the CB Passive Income, which is currently in its 5th version, created by a well-known established entrepreneur named Patrick Chan. In addition to ClickBank, the world's biggest platform for digital products, on which the CB Passive Income is run from, has awarded Patrick Chan a prestigious award, the Platinum Award, for 7 years in a row. So that that should give you an indication to anyone potentially interested in CB Passive Income that Patrick Chan must be doing something right with his products. Patrick has also some of the biggest names in the marketing world that are endorsing him and are promoting his products. One such name is Russell Brunson, the co-founder of ClickFunnels. According to this 2017 article, I'll link to, ClickFunnels is a $360 million company, and most likely probably worth more now, as they have one of the best marketing software in existence. So if you want to learn more about the CB Passive Income program, you can check out a free training workshop where Patrick goes through the concepts of affiliate marketing, how to CB Passive Income works. Okay, I'll link to that training, and if you're reading this article, you can simply click on it. Okay, so affiliateship.com/CBPI. Second resource I'm going to share with you is a free training workshop on how to build your own independent affiliate marketing business under your own brand and identity. This method will ensure that you have a solid, sustainable affiliate business that can potentially reward you financially on an ongoing basis and provide stability and longevity. I mentioned earlier that it was through Vic's trainings and marketing system that helped me earn my first ever affiliate commissions. So I'm happy to say that this training that I'm about to share with you is also delivered by the man himself, Vic House, and this free training has some action-packed value in it, which I'm confident that you will find very educational and have some great value from. Okay, so to access the free training, visit affiliateship.com/SCW, and I will link to it. If you're reading this article, you can simply click on it, and I'll also put it in the video description. Okay, so that's it for now for this video, and I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and if you like more stuff like this, visit affiliateship.com/newsletter. Okay, thank you so much, and all the best.